This is the year of your financial freedom. And you know how I know that? You're gonna watch this video until the end and discover why building multiple digital products is the fastest and easiest way towards financial freedom online. It has always been the best way, and guess now, we got AI now, and makes the creation of digital products so much easier. So in this video, I'm about to show you 10 AI tools that you can use to build easy digital products that can get you to 10, 20, 30, 40K per month if you put in the work once to create them, build something unique, and then start selling them online, either through your social media or by building a marketing funnel or even doing both. So if you're ready for this journey towards financial freedom, this is your chance. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's do this. Number 1, Jasper AI. From blank page to bestseller, why not craft compelling ebooks and online courses yourself with AI and create products like ebooks, so generate the outline of an actual ebook for every niche you might imagine, create the chapters, the individual chapters, and start writing the full content based on keywords and desired topics for your niche. Jasper helps you overcome writer's block and create engaging content quickly. All you gotta do is find things that people are looking for. So if you're in fitness or you are in finance, all you gotta do is go to ChatGPT or Jasper and ask for the 10 most popular pain points that people in this niche are facing. And when you get these pain points, just go to Jasper or even to ChatGPT and ask it to create an outline, the chapters, and the actual content based on that answers on these specific pain points. And if you want to turn an ebook to something longer and charge more, you can ask Jasper to extend the content and elaborate on every single paragraph so you can develop an actual online course. And you can deliver this course either as a written content or you can narrate that in front of the camera, developing a video course. Once you create those ebooks, you can go to Amazon, Kindle Direct Publishing, or your own website, or any other digital product selling website like Udemy, Teachable, Gumroad, Shopify, or even Selfie to list your product and start selling it. Number 2, people have no idea what to do with their social media. For every niche, you can create social media template bundles for platforms like Instagram or Pinterest, offering various caption styles and design variations. So for example, you can offer the content, the written content for an Instagram carousel for a fitness coach, or some great quotes for life coaches. And you can develop that with Writer. That is completely free, and there is absolutely no limitation in the number of social media posts that you're gonna generate. The second product that you can create with Writer is email marketing templates. Create pre-written email sequences for different marketing campaigns and offer them ready to be used to marketing agencies or businesses, and sell those templates directly to creators or businesses on your website or marketplaces like Etsy for different purposes. So you can create, for example, a bundle of emails for financial advisors to outreach specific people. Or you can create a bundle of different email templates for e-commerce stores that want to sell more items, and you don't have to have the knowledge. All you gotta do is ask Writer or ChatGPT or any other written AI platform to come up with these sequences, with those email templates. You can even sell those stuff on any freelance platform like Upwork, Fiverr, freelancer.com as a service instead of a digital product. Number 3, this is an amazing AI tool that we will use to create product description bundles where you can craft high-converting product descriptions for different categories or products. You can sell them on Etsy, where you're gonna see that there are tons of people asking for stuff like that. You can also create sales email swipe files, so pre-written sales emails templates with proven persuasion techniques. And Copysmith makes that so easy to create. And a third product that you can create with Copysmith is website copy packages. So packages that include homepage copy for specific websites, for specific landing pages, for service descriptions, or anything else. When somebody creates a website or a landing page, guess what? They have no idea what to write, how to persuade people, how to convert people. So why not pre-create those descriptions and those copies with Copysmith or any other AI platform and sell them as a digital product? Number 4, video templates. And we're gonna use InVideo AI for that. Exactly like Canva, you can sell editable videos, editable templates that people can reuse to adjust them in their own needs. Like stock video templates, where InVideo is offering a ton of different stock footage that people can then edit. And all you gotta do is prepare the intros, the outros, the transitions, and bundle them for specific niches. And you can do the same with social media video bundles. So for example, let's say that you are a pet business. Why not prepare specific social media video bundles? And in order to come up with ideas, all you gotta do is go to ChatGPT and ask for those ideas, and then go back to InVideo and create 10, 15, 20 different social media video templates that people can use again and again for their social media. You can even sell them in Envato Elements, your website, or even offer that as a service to all the freelancer platforms available out there. Moving on, Simplified, one of my favorite AI platforms. You can create products like printable planner templates, where you can design editable planner templates for productivity, goal setting, budgeting, content creation, you name it, whatever you want. Another alternative is go to Canva and do that. The only thing is that on Simplified, it's way easier because you get the content as well. Another idea is digital art packs. You can create themed collections of AI-generated artwork for commercial usage, and you can do that so easy. Or generate social media icon collections, where you can ask AI to design unique and editable icon sets for various social media platforms. And where to sell all that? You can do that on Etsy, on your website if you have an existing traffic, on social media, on Creative Market, Shutterstock in the case of digital art and icons, or even directly by DMing people and offer that to them. People underestimate the power of direct selling in relevant people. Most people, in the case of selling, they just go massively. They're trying to spam everybody with the same message. This doesn't work. You need to customize your selling point and your offer and go directly to a person that you believe that will get benefited from that. Try that and let me know how it goes. Number 6, another amazing design platform where you can generate stock photo collections, like theme collections of AI modified stock photos, because guess what? People don't know how to generate them. If you see my Instagram feed, all the latest photos that you're gonna see in my feed are generated by AI. But guess what? Most people don't know how to do it. So why not pre-create them and offer that to specific types of businesses? Number 2, social media story templates. Or alternatively, go to Canva and generate templates that people can edit again and again. If you don't have the design skills to do it on your own, just hire somebody from any freelancer platform and ask them to create something once, pay them, and then you have a digital product in your hands that people can use again and again. And finally, infographic templates. Especially for businesses, those are golden. Infographics are also an amazing way to attract people on your website, especially if you include them on blog posts. So why not create editable infographic templates for various data visualizations that people love to use? Number 7, Night Cafe Creator. One of my favorite AR generators can be an amazing help for you in order to create some great digital products, like digital art collections. So generate themed collections of unique AI-generated artworks that people can use as they are, or edit them, or add them in their social media, their presentations, their website, whatever. Character design packs, so sets of unique AI-generated character designs that people can use to tell stories, to create a beautiful presentation, to use them as branding elements, or even create themed background image packs for websites. You can imagine how many times I'm spending hours with my team to find the right style for new websites that we generate, for the header, for the midsection, for the inside pages. So why not generate something with Night Cafe that will be aesthetically aligned and completely unique without being one of those boring copyright-free images that we see again and again? Where to sell that stuff? You can use ArtStation, your website, direct licensing, Envato Elements, Shutterstock, or even through your social media. Moving on, Google Bart. We're gonna use ChatGPT competitor because it's completely free, it's connected to the internet, and will allow us to create sophisticated prompts. So if I go to Google Bart and ask for 10 sophisticated prompts for any industry or niche to come up with a specific outcome, they will create for us prompts that people cannot really generate by themselves. We have said that in a previous video. AI is amazing if you know how to prompt. If you prompt crap, you're gonna get crap out. If you prompt properly, you're gonna get an amazing outcome. And that applies to ChatGPT, to Midjourney, to Runway, or any other AI platform. So why not offer, like I did with my ebook of different prompts that you can find in the description, bundles of prompts for any topic, like for example, the best prompts for fitness coaches, or the best prompts for social media managers. Categorize them, spend some time with ChatGPT to come up with sophisticated prompts, and bundle them on a Google Deck or on Gumroad and offer that as a digital product. Number 9. Pepper content. You can use this amazing platform to offer multiple content formats like blog posts, social media captions, and email newsletters tailored to specific needs and niches. I'm talking about way more sophisticated stuff that ChatGPT produces, and you can even produce a workshop that you will create once with this platform and sell it again and again as a digital offering. This can be either in a written type or do it in a video by using the content that you're gonna get from PepperType and use any webinar business, any webinar platform, or even ClickFunnels to sell that again and again to people for a small fee. And finally, Canva. You can imagine how many different digital products you can create with Canva because it has some magic elements. You can start with a template for any kind of topic that you can imagine. So go on the homepage of Canva, browse, and find anything that you want. Start with the templates, like for example, social media templates or a book or an ebook or a planner or an invoice or whatever. Get a template, edit it yourself. So start making it more interesting or create several different ones for a specific type of business, or hire a designer from Upwork to make a bundle of a specific product. And then you can create another PDF document, get the editable links from Canva, and share them all together as a digital product. Whenever somebody clicks on this link, they open Canva and then they can edit those products themselves by just adding small pieces of info. I did the exact same thing with my carousel templates that I sell on Etsy, and whenever somebody buys this product, they get redirected to Canva where they can produce their final carousel with small amendments. So all you gotta do, guys, is be creative. Use those tools, and I'm just giving you right here a framework of ideas. There are 10, 20, 30 times more ideas because of these platforms. All you gotta do is familiarize yourself, add your own voice and your own knowledge as well, because this is always golden and cannot be replicated by AI, and spend some time, experiment, maybe fail with a few of them, and come up with 3-4 different digital products that feel good for you and are in line what you want to do as a creator or as a business in the future. Because as we always say in this channel, it's all about the long ball game, not what you're gonna do in one weekend. I'm waiting to see the results. If you built any digital products, please share them in the comment section. Watch this video with more ideas of digital products that you can start today for free. Subscribe to the channel, and until next time, simply hustle.